Hello, hello, welcome to another video.
Down to 1,000.
I filed IFR, but they have trouble finding. They're having a little trouble finding. Let me do this again. On the way back. Squad.
Cherokee 154 at the Romeo temperature.
We're 3 miles on the departure leg out of Venice, 1,700 feet, climbing, looking to pick our IFR to Kissimmee.
November 154 Echo Romeo. I don't have the flight plan in front of me, but I'll have somebody look for it. In the meantime, you can cross VFR code 0134.
0134 for Echo Romeo. Hello, hello, welcome to another video. We just departed Venice. It was a beautiful day trip, half-day trip. We departed VFR. I filed IFR to pick up in the air, but they're having trouble finding it for some reason.
2632.
And it's such a beautiful day. If they can't find it or something squirrely happened with the plan, we'll just go VFR back to Kissimmee. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe. What, Lovey?
If it was very cloudy, it would be frustrating that they can't find your plan, because if you were relying on flying at IFR.
I would have done this differently.
Reduce speed to 170 or less.
If there were clouds, I would have picked up the plan on the ground.
Right turn to 220 United.
But I figured it's such a beautiful day. Let's just depart.
Matter. Yeah.
Cherokee 44 Kilo, remain outside of McDill.
And if we're VFR, then we're VFR. Because I can't log the flight. I know there's no adverse weather.
Right.
Departure, Century 175, return to a 160, 500 for 1600.
I'm not sure what happened.
November 4 Echo Romeo cleared to Kissimmee did you want the routing need Victor 152 for training, or do you want to just go direct?
No, I'll just go direct. Direct Yanma is fine for Echo Romeo.
4 Echo Romeo cleared to Kissimmee via direct, maintain 3000.
Okay, direct maintain 3000 for Echo Romeo. Going back a little lower than we did coming out.
Weird, all these crop circle-like.
Jet 549.
Good flying music.
Approach 126.8.
You know, it's my common cozy playlist. That's what I always listen to on planes.
Good afternoon, call at 989, climbing 10. November 4 Echo Romeo, contact Miami Center 127.2, thanks for your patience.
27-2 for Echo Romeo, good day.
Sedation 5 Charlie Mike, traffic no.
Miami Center, Cherokee 154 Echo Romeo, 3000.
Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo, Miami Center, Orlando, altimeter 29906, amendment to the routing, advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy, although we were just assigned direct, if that works for you for Echo Romeo.
November 4 Echo Romeo, clear direct Moans, intersection Mike, Oscar, Alpha, November, Sierra, MOANS. Join the Jokers 3 arrival to Kissimmee.
Direct Moans, and then Joker 3 arrival to Kissimmee for Echo Romeo.
God, would it have been easier to stick with IFR?
You mean VFR?
Oh,
yeah,
this is IFR.
I'm in IFR, so
Oh.
just seeing what he's doing for me. Okay. Procedure, arrival, Joker 3, Bones, close. Well, this is good. This is good practice. I was not expecting this.
Is this because of the special flight situation over Disney?
No, not at all. No, this is just the routing as I get closer, but this is perfect. This is exactly what I...
Number 4 Echo Romeo, climb and maintain 5,000.
5,000 for Echo Romeo. All right, let's do our brief while we've got a few minutes.
Southwest 3362, turn
RNAV 633, which is what we're probably going to get, direct Yanma.
3362.
We'll see.
Wings 1234, Miami
6,000 foot runway length,
maintain flight level 230.
82 Local altimeter, so those notes don't apply. I've got these dialed in to Yanma.
13, 13,000. Good rate down, please.
And descend to 2,000 feet. Can't go below 2,000 feet until we get to AXMEB, and then we can descend, if we're clear for the approach, to 1,700, and then continue to runway 33. Final approach fix is Lozhev at 1,700. And if we do the LPV, we can go down. Decision altitude is 332. And if we go missed, straight ahead climb 540, climbing left turn 2,000, hold at Canby. Advertising the visual approach, so we probably won't get vectors.
Leaving 15,000
to Yanma, so we'll see what happens.
Heading of November 4, Echo Romeo, contact Orlando approach 119.4.
19-4, thanks for the help for Echo Romeo. Orlando approach Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo 5,000.
154 Echo Romeo, one approach, advise information Juliet and approach request.
We'll take 3-3 for Echo Romeo.
You can expect visual 3-3, number 154 Echo Romeo.
Alright, expect a visual 3-3 for Echo Romeo.
154 Echo Romeo, turn right, heading 040, descend and maintain 4,000.
040, descend and maintain 4,000 for Echo Romeo. 4,000, 040, punched in.
Underway.
So we can align to take the runway into 3-3, so this couldn't be more ideal.
Good.
Alright, let's get her that on, that on. Got that. Fuel pump's on, mixture is full rich. Fuel selector, we're leaving it where it is. Seatbelts. Good to go. 400 feet to go.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000 for Echo Romeo. See how organized it is? They just, you know, if you follow these plates that are published, they know what you're going to do, you know what they're, and then they guide you in.
Good.
And if we were socked in with clouds, like, you wouldn't get freaked out that I can't see the airport, or where's there other traffic.
Yeah.
I know for a moment, for me to like set that up the way I needed to in the moment, it was like, okay, I trained for this, just do it, you know, and came together nicely, so I'm happy with that.
4 Echo Romeo, turn right, heading 070.
070 for Echo Romeo.
Number 4 Echo Romeo, descend and maintain 2,000.
Send 2,000 for Echo Romeo. Alright, light fuel pump, master mixtures full rich, carb heat is off. We're going to switch the other tank.
And 154 Echo Romeo, Kissimmee Airport, 10 o'clock, 8 miles.
Airport in sight for Echo Romeo.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, join a 5-mile final, cleared visual approach, runway 33.
Join 5-mile final, clear for the approach, runway 33 for Echo Romeo.
Number 154 Echo Romeo, contact Kissimmee Tower 124.45, good day.
2445 for Echo Romeo. Kissimmee Tower, Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo approaching Lozhev, visual 33.
Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo, you're going to be number 2, final Cessna 150 approaching the left base, runway 33, cleared to land.
Alright, number 2, and we'll keep an eye out for the traffic, clear to land 334 Echo Romeo. Make our turn, turning towards the airport.